Today, I wanted to give you some tips on unboxing your new plants and what to do immediately after getting them. In your box, you're gonna get something that looks a lot like this. So when you open it up, all eager, you'll see some nice plants sitting in a plastic bag like this. Now, these have been through a lot. They've come from our facility, they've been put into bags, they've been put into a box, and then shipped out to your house. Obviously, they're gonna be wanting a little bit of water. So the first thing that you're gonna do is unbag these plants. Get them into a container as fast as you can. And it's important that you give them that drink of water, because just like us, if we were in a box for a week, we'd be a little thirsty too. Now, they might seem dry, they might seem even a little wilted. That's okay. It's a natural defense mechanism of the plant to conserve its water. So, first step, put it in the ground if you can put it in the ground. But because these are young, they're tender, and they're probably wanting some of that water, try to keep them out of direct sunlight, even if the plant loves that, because it's gonna give them that time to recuperate so that you get the best possible growth and don't shock your plant at all. If you're not putting it directly into the ground, just put it into a container bigger than the root ball, so that way you can get it growing and encourage those roots to spread out to the container to whenever you're ready to plant again. Other than that, just keep a close eye on them and they should do just fine.